There are ways to make someone fall in love with you. Thank you so much for joining me in this broadcast. This is the concluding part of the 12 ways to make a heart fall in love. And if you have not yet watched the first part of this teaching, please visit my YouTube channel at Judith Imagoro TV or Facebook at Judith Imagoro TV. Now, welcome to the concluding part of the 12 ways to make it hard to fall in love. Number 1, focus on yourself. Yes, you heard that right. Don't make the mistake of losing you because you're trying to make someone to fall in love with you. That would be working against yourself. It is very important that you focus on you, you develop yourself, and you develop your values, and you focus on your career, your business. Why? People fall in love with values. Nobody wants a liability. It will surprise you how much people brag to friends and to family about people, the success of the people they are dating, their spouse, or someone they are seeing. And what do they brag about? They brag about their character, they brag about the success of their career, their academics, different things. So you cannot ignore these things and expect this person to fall in love with you. So if you want someone to love you, one of the key points is you have to focus on you, develop the things that are important to you. Don't lose anything. Don't stop adding value and stop making progress because you want someone to be in love with you. Because those progress will contribute to them seeing you as somebody valuable enough to partner with. And so it's very important that you don't lose yourself because you're trying to make someone to see you. So if you want to make progress in making somebody fall in love with you, add values to you. Start that business today. Go back to school if you have to. Do those things that will make you to become valuable so that this person will willingly and gladly add you and partner with you. So it's very important. Then that leads us to the next path. Understand them. You can never lose someone you truly understand. So understanding is a key success secret in every relationship. You cannot truly coexist peacefully with somebody without understanding them. Lack of understanding is the reason why most relationships and most marriages crash, because people leave or they are dating or married to people they don't even understand. How can you love somebody you don't understand? And so understand this person so you can love them. And when you love them, it's easy for everything you do for them to come naturally. And then they can love you in return. So it's important that you understand them. It's a key relationship success secret. You cannot ignore it. Now, how do understanding come? How can you? One of the ways to understand someone is for you to become selfless. If you are this person who always want to focus on you, attention is always on you. You want to be heard. You want to win an argument. It always has to be about you. You will not be able to understand the other person because you never give them room to really express themselves, room to talk. Conversation always have to be about you. If you're that person, you cannot understand this person, and as a result, they can't love you. So if you want to win somebody's heart, take time, listen to them. By listening to them, you hear them. You know their challenges, you know their thoughts, you know where they are going. You even get to know what they like so that you can fit in properly to them. So learn to understand them. That's another secret of making someone to fall in love with you. Be the ear that listens to them. Everyone wants to be heard. So offer that ear, that listen ear, It will bring about, they will become closer to you. They will want to spend time with you. They can pour out their thought on you. They can share things with you. And you're willing to listen to them without judging them. That's one of the ways to make someone fall in love with you. And then this takes us to the third point today, which is the 9th point altogether. Be their chairperson. This is so important. Be their chairperson. Everyone around the world, no matter the level of their sources, no matter where they are, they want to be encouraged. Everyone wants to be appreciated. Everyone wants to be encouraged. Everyone wants to be acknowledged. Now be that chairperson to this, whether it's your spouse or someone you feel you have a part with, and you want them to fall in love with you. Be their chairperson. I'm not saying that you cannot give positive criticism or constructive criticism when need arises, but be conscious not to always criticize them. Be conscious to see and acknowledge what they are doing right, and then focus on what they are doing right. Encourage, speak positive words in what they are doing right rather than what they are doing wrong. And so again, I even want you to go beyond your spouse or someone you want to fall in love with you. Make this a lifestyle. Never allow someone to meet you and they feel less because of what you said to them. Make sure that you make this a habit, that people meet you and when they leave you a better person. They leave you feeling better about themselves, not worse. I know we're in a world full of materialism right now. People hardly respect or acknowledge people that don't have money. Don't let that be you. No matter what level people you meet, any person you meet, as long as God allow you to meet them, make sure your words are seasoned with salt. Make sure you appreciate people. Make sure you never make someone feel less or unachieved because you spoke to them or your gesture suggested to them that they are less of a human. Don't be that person. Because until you make it a part of you and it's just an innate thing that comes from you, there is no way you can suddenly be pretending to someone who you want to fall in love with you that you have this character. It has to be part of you. It has to be just you, that you speak well to people. You behave well to people. You appreciate everyone. You never talk down at people because of what they have or what they don't have. Remember, if you become this person, you're not only doing it for them, you're rewarded by God, because when you speak down at people, you're actually speaking down at their maker. People don't see that. People don't understand that when you talk down at somebody, you're talking down at their maker. When you respect any person, you're respecting their maker. So go beyond your spouse or someone you're trying to make fall in love with you, to making this a habit. You're a good person. You speak well of people. And then it becomes natural to you. And it's easier to do it to your spouse or someone you want to fall in love with you, because it's already a part of you anyway. So it's important that we learn that we are not quick to speak down at people because of what they don't have or because of where they are per time. So, and if you become the voice of encouragement to that person, it's only a matter of time. They will fall in love with you. Because everyone around the world want to be acknowledged, want to be appreciated, want to be encouraged. Then that brings us to number 4 today on ways to make a heart fall in love. Prayers. This is so important. You can never truly have the heart of someone for a lifetime without the help of their creator. So prayers is very vital in making your spouse or somebody that you feel in your heart that you have a part with fall in love with you. I remember the story of an orphan that was recorded in the Bible who later became a queen. If you read that story recorded in the book of Esther, you'll find out that Esther becoming a queen was just the miraculous hands of God. It happened by prayer and the favor of God. And that story is still true today. If you want, and God still repeats such patterns. So if you want someone to fall in love with you, you have to be close to the being, which is God that created them. And if you talk to God about their heart, the word of God says the heart of a king, the heart of humans are in the hands of God. And so you can make a heart fall in love with you by speaking to God. And God will put you in their heart. And everything you do begin to make sense to them. Without taking care of things spiritually most times, you waste time doing them physically. So this is a very vital key in making a heart to fall in love with you, by praying to God who created them, that God should show you favor in their sight, and that will make their heart to fall in love with you. You'll be surprised that all of a sudden they begin to notice you. They begin to appreciate your kindness towards them. If this does not happen, you can do all these things that I talked about, and their heart is not just moved because their maker have not taught their heart for your sake. So it's very important. Then that takes us to number 5. This is very important. Make sure that you look well and smell good. This is too important to ignore. We can never overemphasize this point. It is too important to look good and smell good. Why? You are the product. So you have to always appear good. You have to always smell well. If you want somebody to fall in love with you and you have bad sense of dressing and you smell bad and your breath smells, you're wasting your time. That becomes the only focus they have. They barely can remember nothing except your smelling mouth and your body odor. And you don't want that. So take care of yourself. Make sure you smell good. What kind of person, what does he appreciate? And that helps you to dress neatly. You don't have to dress expensive to look good. You just have to dress very neatly. And that you should make sure that you do. And take care of your breath. Take care of your mouth. Now, do you know even people that have bad sense of dressing, people who have body odor, people who have mouth odor, are looking for people who don't. Why? They don't even know they have mouth odor. When your mouth smells, you are the last person to know. And now there is nothing unnatural about it. Every person's mouth can smell. There is no person whose breath cannot smell. All we need to do as humans is to be conscious of it. So try as much as possible. Brush your mouth twice a day. Then if you want to talk to this person, you can also make sure you have meat with you. These help. Be conscious of how you look, how you smell, how your body smells, because this can just sabotage the rest of the things you're doing if you don't take care of this. So it's key, because the eyes just want to see good things. The nose just want to smell good and sweet smell. It's just natural. So make sure that that is in place. Then finally for today, always put a good smile on your face. Statistics shows that women who smile always are more attractive than women who do not. And that men who smile always are more approachable than men who do not. So you have to ensure that you don't drive people away by the way you look, by your countenance. Put a smile on your face. Be more approachable. Be more attractive just by putting a smile on your face. Why? A face that carries a smile, it's always a face that carries hope. Nobody wants people who come around them and they make the whole place, it appears as though life is leaving the people you came to, because your countenance is too serious and you are not smiling. This may look simple, but it's very important. So a face that is always smiling is a face of hope, and people want hope all around them. So come with a smiley face all the time. Be a face of hope whenever you come close to this person, and they will always want that face around. But if you are always a face of sadness, always a face that reminds them that something is wrong, that life is very tough, they will not want to see you, because people want to be motivated so that they can go through their day and go through life. And as you consciously practice this key, you will testify that that person is taking note of you, that your spouse is falling in love with you over and over again. Why? Because you know how to make a heart fall in love. And thank you once again for joining me today. I am Judy Daniel Imagoro. I want to encourage you, please partner with me. Share this message with your friends and your family. Someone you know may just be looking for this secret. Partner with me. Let us become a source of hope together and build families around the world. Thank you for joining. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel at Judith Imagoro TV, Facebook at Judith Imagoro TV. We're on TikTok at Live Church with an S. Live Church with an S. God bless you and thank you for watching.